Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Virtual Visits. Today we're going to go to just one house, and that's Lyddie's house in Australia. So she's got a really great house, so it's going to be fun to look at. Here we go. All right, we're going to start right in at the front entryway. And look at this gorgeous long table. She's got family photos on there, but really nice and delicate, pretty frames. And look at the inlays in the wall. We're going to get a closer look at those pictures soon. Look at the wood floor with all the detailing. So beautiful. And wow, Lyddie, I love the color of your walls and the color of your posts. Really neutral, kind of a putty color, really pretty. Oh, look at the view outside, guys. I mean, it's actually spring and summer out there. Absolutely beautiful. That archway there is gorgeous too. And Lyddie is using a birdhouse. I'm very intrigued by those pictures up there. They look like they're old pictures of family, and they look really cool. Look at those. Wow. So beautiful. Victorian, some 50s. Very romantic, really fun. Great use of space with your pictures. I love it. And I love that. Wow. Okay, so here we've got a cabinet. It's full of white items, and it really unifies the whole space. Absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty, all white, very delicate things. It actually looks like that stuff on the bottom that's like popcorny looking. Nice. And here's a view from outside looking in at the entry. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the white fake flowers too. It's absolutely clean and fresh and gorgeous. And so a touch of spring, summer, the bunnies, but everything it's delicate and pretty and very intentionally placed. So gorgeous. All right, so we're looking now at the lounge area. I really see that. There's another kind of birdhousey thing there, and a lantern and a book. Looks like it's a book. Maybe it's just a picture in a frame. Really nice on a nice antique piece. I love this white piece too. And again, Lyddie is grouping things together. So she's got like things together, like that second row of all the blue plates. Cute little ladies lounge thing. That's cute. Suppose that can be a place to put anything, huh? Or even in a medicine cabinet in a bathroom. Really cute. And on the other side of the lounge area, you see a wonderful sectional. I always like leather. Leather stays so clean. It's so allergy free. And I love the use of wood to warm everything up. I love that white cabinet. Absolutely beautiful. And look at the display on her table. Just a nice tray with the essentials, Kleenexes, and pretty white flowers. And I love the white pillows on the couch, and they mimic the blue that's going on in the room. So pretty. Ah, S&L. This is really cute. What I like about this house is that you've got this mixture of old and new, just like we always talk about. You've got a lot of really pretty, delicate items. And they're just gorgeous. And I know that you don't have access in Australia to all of the antique shopping and everything that we do here, but you have done a beautiful job of mixing the old and the new. And I love your vignettes. Really poignant, really pretty. A nice balance of many different kinds of items, like the steel, the rusty steel with the pretty glass. Really nice. And what I really like is the balance that you're doing with the dark and the light. So you've got the dark, warm wood, and you're putting so much white, metal, and delicate items with it. I think it's really pretty. It lightens up the wood. And oh, there's another blue plate. These are just really nice, Lyddie. And I love that birdhouse thing. Oh man, those are some of my favorite things. That's really cool. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen and dining area. This is pretty. Love it. I love that table. It's thick and chunky and really big for family gatherings. It looks like marble countertops. Really nice. Love the wood floor. There's a lot of warmth in your house. So it's this great mixture of the light and the warmth. That plate rack, so classically beautiful. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything looks perfect. Now, this is so cool, right? This old radio. This is so neat. I love it. Oh, it's so retro and fun, and I love it on the lace. Really cool little element. And here's a closer look at that hutch. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like the plate rack in that hutch. It's very country. It's very pretty. It looks really practical too. Bread box with cute elements. You know, there's again my favorite cutting boards, and I love that blue and white. I don't know what to call it. It's kind of a pot. That's really cool. And then a little bit of copper in there. Really interesting. Really nice use of green and wood. And okay, here we're looking at that plate rack in that hutch. I love those blue and white, that blue and white collection of plates up there. That's really cool. And we have a scale and books and lemons and copper. This is a beautiful vignette. I love it. What a cool scale. And the scale's resting. Oh, that's really pretty too. So those look like brown eggs and a little chicken. What a cute little element. And then we have great copper with all of the utensils by the kitchen in a tray, in a nice wood tray, again to warm it up. I love the look. This is beautiful. You have a beautiful decorating style, Lyddie. Everything just looks so cozy and clean and perfect. Light, bright, happy. Looks like a very happy house. This is just beautiful. I love that cabinet with the stained glass. I love the lace up there with the basket and the scale. This is absolutely gorgeous. I kind of want to run my hands on that glass. It looks like it has some texture to it. Really, really pretty. And here is the Rumpus Room. And here is a cute little puppy. Oh my gosh. I love your little dog, little Shih Tzu. So cute. Or is it a Shih Tzu mix? It's just how adorable. You can all show your pets too, people. So in the Rumpus Room, they watch TV. So here's their TV center. I love all the wood again. I really like the style that you've picked in here. It's very pretty and clean. This is a very balanced area. And you have this old trunk painted white, which I think is brilliant, really. I mean, it lightens the whole thing up. Who would think to paint an old trunk white like that? And that old trunk, I'm sure, stores a lot of great things, hides great things, and it just looks really nice with all these coffee table books and everything on it. I love the books. Make room for quilts. Do you like quilts? Australian memories. Just a reminder to everyone, we are in a home in Australia today. So this is really pretty. Yeah, that's a nice table. I can imagine you can put a lot of bedding and pillows and off-season items in that big old trunk. I also like the wood blinds. They bring more warmth into the room, so you still have that balance of the white and the dark with the wood, the old and the new. Super cute. Love it. And here's another beautiful vignette of old pictures. You've got some gorgeous old pictures here, and I love the way you've used them. You've actually inspired me to go out and use more old pictures. I've been decorating with old pictures lately too, and I'll do a video about that and talk about that a little bit because I think it's a really good time to bring out the old pictures. But I can see that you use these for everyday life, and I love them. All right, we're going to look at a guest bedroom. This is so pretty and delicate. I love old paintings of women sitting in parlors with lace and long gowns. And this is so pretty with the lace and the pink color. Very delicate, really sweet, really clean. You know, I kind of have a thing for pink bedrooms. And this is really pretty. I love that picture. Yeah, that's really cute. So you've got your little collectibles all stashed away nicely in that darling little shelf. And I love the use of that cloth just hanging there. Really classy. I love that dresser. This is sweet. Very sweet. This could be a nice little girl's room, a nice teenage girl's room. Very feminine, delicate. Okay, we're going on to the master bedroom, which has a totally different feel. This is darker, it's more cozy, and yet it still has that light crispness. So your whole house is flowing so beautifully because you have so many wood elements and wood in there. And now you've taken this into your bedroom and taken that dark accent wall color and then paired it with white. And again, it's just really beautiful. So this is a cool picture through your mirror of your bed. Really nice. Love the mirror. Love the picture. Very artsy. These look like they could be in a magazine, Lyddie. Really, really pretty. Love this. Oh, I love this. I love that wicker tray there with the tea. You even poured tea for all of us. That is so beautiful. What a just cozy place to sit down and read a book. And what a story you have there with the glasses and the book and the tea. You've just created these vignettes full of stories. This is nice. I like the shelf just with some of your favorite items on it. And again, the wood with the white. And then here we have more wood and white. Again, a story. You've got pearls there. You've got a wedding picture there. Maybe that's yours. I don't know. But it's really beautiful. And again, I love the lace. Every detail is very planned and definite in here. Okay, moving on to the laundry room. This is so cute because at first I thought this was a real sewing machine, and then I looked and it's the same size as the super big clothespin and the iron. So, and the plant is bigger than all of it, and this is just the cutest little vignette. I love it. This is a nice laundry room. Love the laundry basket. And again, all the white and the old laundry board. It's very pretty. And there it is, that cute little singer. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like a little miniature version of what I have in my bedroom. I absolutely love it. How adorable. This is cute too, this step ladder with your little plants on it. And I love the basket with the towels in and the bar of soap. How absolutely beautiful. It's beckoning me in. It's just got lovely touches there, Lyddie. It's so pretty. Man. So, you know, Lyddie, I want to thank you for inviting us into your home. This was a wonderful treat. You have a beautiful home, and may you stay safe and enjoy being in the home in the next few months. And for the rest of you, if you want to join in on the fun, send your pictures to Ann Clay Home Decor Tips on Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, contact me and I'll give you an email where you can send your pictures. You can also contact me on Instagram. Have a good day.